Marugbo or Obe Eweta is also known as black soup. It is a centuries-old recipe cooked by different tribes in Nigeria. In Western Nigeria, the Yorubas prepare this soup for new mothers as it is known to aid digestion by cleansing the digestive tract. The Ikale people commonly drink this soup or eat it with pupuru, a native swallow. If you want to watch me prepare pupuru, please subscribe to my channel and comment in the comment section. I'll be showing you the ingredients for this delicious soup. So I'll be using Àrìdan, is also called Adan fruits. I would also be using our star leaf, Marugbo leaves, sweet basil, ginger paste, Umilo, Atarodo, also called scotch bonnet pepper. I would also be using Calabash nutmeg, Ehuru or Ariwo, Fennel seeds. I'll be using Uda. Yes, it's called Uda. That is cloves, also called Kanafuru. I'll also be using Uziza seeds and Gbafilo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend all of these ingredients together. And here is the outcome. So this is what it looks like. And I'll be showing you the other ingredients for this soup. So this is our star sauce or star mixture or consistency. This is also chicken broth, ponmo, cooked chicken, seasoning powder, salt, and some palm oil, just a little. So to cook this soup, all you simply need to do is pour all these ingredients into a pot and cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. This soup is best enjoyed in its watery form, so it's better to allow it be watery and not let it thicken at all. So this consistency is the perfect consistency for this soup. And on a scale of 1 to 10, will you cook this recipe? Please let me know in the comment section. I will really love to read from you. And Marigbo soup, Obe Eweta, our delicious delicacy is ready. How will you prefer to eat this soup? Let me know. For me, I think I like to drink it as a soup. It is super cleansing and it just helps me reduce my calorie intake. But for you, would you like to eat it with rice? Eating it with rice is more filling and it lets you stay full for a longer period of time. Or are you ibile like some of my people and you want to eat it with your favorite swallow? Eba, pupuru, amala, semo, wheat. Kai, thank you so much